Swastiastu. Thank you for the time given to me. Today, I would like to explain about assessing speaking. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nilo Putuna Putayanti. My student number 1911171040. Okay, let's start it. Definition of assessing speaking. Speaking is productive skill that can be directly and empirically observed. Those observations are invariably correlated by accuracy and effective and validity of an oral production text. And in assessing speaking, there is a basic type of speaking. The first, imitative speaking. At one end of a continuum of types of speaking, performance is the ability to simply parrot back, imitate a word, or produce a possibility a sentence. While this is purely phonetic level of oral and production. Number, prosodic, lexical, and grammatical property of language may be included in the criterion performance. And next, intensive, a second type of speaking frequently employed in assessment context is the production of short a stretch of oral language designed to demonstrate competence in a narrow band of grammatical, phrasal, lexical, or phonological relationship. Uh, Such as a prosodic elements, intonation, stress, rhythm, and the speaker must be aware of semantic property in order to be able to respond. But interaction with an interlocutor or test administrator is minimal at best. Example of intensive assessment uh, include directed response tasks, reading aloud, sentences and dialogue completion, limited picture good tasks, including simple sequence, and translation up to the simple sentence level. Okay, next, about responsive. Responsive assessment tasks include interaction and test comprehension, but at somewhat limited level of very short conversation standard like greeting and small talk, simple request and comment and the like. The stimulus is almost always a spoken prompt in order to preserve authenticity with perhaps only one or two follow-up questions or retorts. Sorry. And the next, interactive. The difference between a response uh, uh, responsive interactive speaking is in the length and complexity of the interaction, which sometimes include multiple exchange and or multiple participants. Interaction can take the two forms. There are transactional language and interpersonal language. Transactional language, which has the purpose of exchanging specific information, and interpersonal exchange, which have the purpose of maintaining social relationships. So, trans, uh, transactional language may be more formal uh, form, and interpersonal exchange is more informal, like need to speak in casual, uh, colloquial language, slang, humor, and other social linguistic convention. For example, maybe like how are you? Not bad. Uh, how about you? And etc. Okay, next, extensive. Extensive, like a monologue. Oral production text includes speech, oral presentation, and storytelling, during which the opportunity for response, um, oral interaction from listener is either highly limited or language style is frequently more deliberative and formal. For extensive text, but we cannot rule out certain informal monologues, such as casually different speaks. For example, my vacation in the mountains received for outstanding pasta primavera, recounting the plot of a novel or movie. Okay, next about macro and micro skill of speaking. Micro skill refer to producing the smaller chunks of language such as phoneme, morphemes, word collection, and phrasal unit. And macro skill imply the speaker focused on the larger element, fluency, discourse, function, and strategic option. Next about descending assessment tasks, imitative speaking. Okay, um, and occasional phonological uh, focused repetition tasks is warranted as long as repetition tasks are not allowed to occupy a dominant role in overall oral production assessment, and as long as you artfully avoid a negative westback effect. In a simple repetition task, test taker repeat the stimulus whether it's a pair of words, a sentence, or perhaps a question to test for intonation production. For example, word repetition task, test taker here, repeat after me. Beat, beat, pat, fat, and etc. Okay, the next about phoneme pass test. Phoneme pass test has support the construct validity of its repetition tasks not just for the test taker phonological ability but also for discard overall oral production ability. Next about designing assessment tasks about intensive speaking. At the intensive level, test takers are prompted to produce short stretches of discourse, no more than a sentence, through which they demonstrate linguistic ability at the specified level of language. Many tasks, cue tasks in the task lead the task taker into a narrow band possibility. Next about read aloud. Uh, include a reading beyond the sentence level up to a paragraph or two. This technique is easily administered by selecting passages that incorporate text and by recording the text taker output. Next about sentence and dialogue completion tasks and oral questionnaire. Another technique for targeting intensive aspect of language requires text taker to read dialogue in which one speaker lines have been omitted. Okay, next about listening assessment about responsive speaking. Assessment of responsive tasks involve brief interaction with an interlocutor differing from intensive tasks in the increased creativity given to the test taker and from interactive tasks based somewhat limited. For example, question and answer and giving instruction direction um, and paraphrasing. Next about designing assessment tasks, extensive speaking. Extensive speaking tasks involve complex relative length threads of discourse. They are frequently variation on monologue, usually with minimal verbal interaction. So, for example, for oral presentation, a checklist of grid is a common means of scoring or evaluation. Okay, and the last about retelling a story of extensive prose. In this type of task, test taker hear or read a story or news event that they are asked to retell. This differs from the paraphrasing text discussed above in that it is longer stretches of discourse and different genre. Okay, that's all about my experience about assess, assessment speaking. Uh, I apologize about there are a mistake. I'm proceeding with Om Santi Santi Santi.